Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert multiple comments to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and this menu bar here you will find this comment option. Select here and there are many kinds of comments: text box comment, call out comments, file comments, note comments, and this is highlight comments, underline comments, and so on. Firstly, I will show you how to add note comments. Click on this note and put your note cursor where you want to place and see this. And this right sidebar, here you will find this comment box typing option. Double click on this box and type your text and click on this comment and click right button for properties. And this is call out comments. Click here, double click on this call out box and type your text and enter. You can increase decrease this call out box and you can change format style. And this text box comment, click on this text box and draw a text box and double click on this text box and type your text and see this. And this text box properties, you can change this border and fill color option and so on. Yeah, in this way you can add multiple comments to your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.